it's me, ArayliaJS, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the process of me redoing my bedroom. I love the way that it turned out. It is so pretty, and it's not that much different from my other bedroom, but it's definitely got a lot of new changes to it, and I am loving it. I love the beige and neutral tones that I decided to continue in this bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me do this, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I did was add these super cute terrazzo stickers onto my wall, and I love the colors, and I thought it would be a great idea to put them on this wall because the wall is super little. So this is kind of like my entryway wall, and I had accidentally put them way too close together, so I had to kind of take them off and rearrange them so they were more spaced out, but I love the way that this wall turned out. For my next wall, I have my desk, and I needed to re-spray paint this because it was originally black and I had spray painted it once before we moved, but I just noticed that it needed a lot more touch-ups, so I re-spray painted everything and it looked a lot better. So I brought it back into my room after it was dry, and I thought that it kind of looked bare, so I had some of this material and it looked really nice. So I decided to put that on the back of my desk, and it's super duper cute, and I just thought it just made my desk look a little bit more boho, and I really liked the way that it turned out. So then I pushed it back against the wall. Now it's time to decorate the top of my desk, and I just add a couple books and things that looked really nice together. So I added in my storage container, and this holds some of my books, and I decided to put up my favorite macrame on the wall to the left, and it looks so good. And on the right side I had these super duper cute like little rattan trays, and so I measured out everything and then hammered those into the wall, and they just looked really nice on the wall. I love the way that it turned out. And I had a couple of holes in the wall from another thing that was there, so I filled those with some wall putty, and I just fill the holes, and then I take a wet paper towel and wipe off the extra. So I went to Home Goods looking for some bedding, and I did not find a bedding that I would like, but I did find some super cute blankets and the perfect pillows to match my room. So I was looking through the blankets and I found this super cute one, and it looks like a little rainbow, so I had to get that. I then found some super cute pillows that matched my room perfectly. After that, I went to Target and found this beautiful macrame quilt, and it's going to work perfect for my room. When I got home, I took out some of the nails that were already in my wall, and I'm going to use those to put up a painting that I just made. And I took out the nails and then I hammered them into the wall. After that was finished, I hung up my painting that I made, and if you guys would like to see how I made this, you guys can go watch my video. I'll have it linked down below. A couple days later, we went to TJ Maxx and Michael's, and I found the cutest planter for my snake plant. I loved the way that it looked, and I also found a wooden crate, but I couldn't figure out how I wanted to style it because I knew that I wanted my record player on something, so I just was trying it a couple different ways, but I didn't really end up liking it in the end. I have this vase with some really nice dried grass. I have no clue what this is, but I really love the way that it looks. For the window, I have these arches that I made out of clay and a really cute twisted candle that I made in my last week's video, and I put a really pretty portrait of my aunt on the left. For the corner of my bedroom, I just put a couple of my plants that I have, and I love this little stand. I had thrifted this, and then I put some pampas grass on the wall, and it just looks super cute. I love the way that it looks, and then I had added a couple more of my little plants. And also, I have so many outfit changes in this because this is all filmed on different days, but for my window I added a vase and another one of the candles I made. Moving on, it is time to do my bedding, and I love this bedding so much. I'd also got in some new sheets, and these are super duper soft. These are all from Target, and I am super excited to make my bed. But I'm also showing you guys the blanket that I got in a little close up, and it looks so cute. I love it. After I made my bed, I just put on my pillows and fixed the edges, but my bed is on the floor. I love it that way. I just think it looks really nice. And so I put my pillows, and I think it turned out so cute. I finished it off by putting the little blanket on the corner, and it looks really cute. To the right of my bed, I had another jar of pampas grass, and I just placed it right there. I love pampas grass so much, and these are the cutest things ever. I then put my tray on the bed, and I love this because I put my Bible and my notebook that I write all my scriptures in, and I had this little basket. I just turned it upside down, added a seashell, and then I also added this cute little candle. On the wall above my bed, I had these really nice little fans, and so I placed those one on each side, and it looked so nice. It's my favorite thing. On the wall where my closets are, I just placed this fan, and I love the way that it looks. I went to TJ Maxx and found this crate, and I thought it was perfect to put my record player on, so I went home and I exchanged the wooden crate for this new one, and I love the way that it looks. It is my favorite thing ever. I think that it fits so perfectly, and my record player looks so great, and it adds a little bit of color and contrast instead of just a white wooden crate, so I think this turned out perfect, and I love this so much. My best friend was also there, and she was helping me get everything situated. I had went to Target and I found this calendar. They usually have the brown paper calendars that I love to get, but this year they didn't have them, so I found this super cute acrylic calendar, and I just wrote the month and all the days on the calendar. I put the back of the brown calendar that I had from last year, and then I just put the acrylic one on top because I love the brown color behind it, so I think that this looked really nice. And then I ended up not liking the leaf that I draw on there, so I erased that, and I think it turned out perfect. This is a rug that I found, and it was on Amazon. It is so cute. It's 3x5, and I thought this was perfect for my room. I love the color and I loved everything about it, so I will have the link to that down below. But it is so cute, and I love the way that it looks in my bedroom. That was the last thing to finish my room. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!